Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Google account sync error in Android phone. All Google applications used on Android phones rely on a Google account for synchronization, such as Gmails, Contacts, Calendar, Google Drive, etc. The great thing about this is that if you make a change on your Android phone, it will appear on all devices connected to Google and running the same app. But if you receive the sync is currently having trouble error message on your Android phone, you won't be able to sync other apps. And when you open the Google app, an error message pops up. This can be a tedious process because you also need to sync changes to the app on every device. Please be patient and watch the video. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Hope it can help you fix Google account sync error on Android. Some users may have modified their Google account before and the synchronization was successful on their Android phone without the sync is currently encountering a problem error message. But this error occurred during the latest modification. People not only have questions about why sync is currently experiencing problems. When doubts arise, various problems may also occur with your Google-related applications. For example, it cannot be opened, stops running, updates fail, etc. The reason for this may be due to some small errors. Wi-Fi and mobile data connections are poor. Auto-sync is not turned on. The relevant permissions for the application may be turned off. The application version is too old. The Android operating system version is too low. Application cache bug. Turning on power saving mode may be the cause of getting Android phone to stop syncing. Now the question comes, how to fix Google account sync error issue on Android? We've found several solutions to fix account sync issues. Before officially trying the fix, check your internet connection and make sure your phone has enough battery and turn off battery saving mode. If your internet speed is slow, try a different internet connection to ensure synchronization issues are not affected by your internet speed. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Let's start. Method 1 is to check whether automatic synchronization is turned on. If you encounter Google account is not syncing on Android phone, the first thing that comes to mind is to determine whether the automatic synchronization function is turned on. If you don't turn on auto sync, you'll never be able to sync other apps at the same time. You need to open your phone settings, find and select account and backup. Then select manage accounts and check whether the automatic synchronization function is turned on in this interface. If not, click enable automatic synchronization to turn on automatic synchronization for all accounts. Method 2 is to hard restart your Android phone. Most of the time, Android phone says sync error problem can be solved by hard reboot. It solves most software problems and doesn't take you long. You need to press and hold the key combination to force restart your phone. The key combination used in the video to force restart the Samsung phone is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the key combination to force restart your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the mobile phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go and your phone will automatically restart. After that, check whether the synchronization is completed. Method 3 is manual synchronization. If the above method cannot solve the Google account contacts sync issue, you may need to sync your Android phone manually. But it is only a temporary fix and does not solve the problem of resolving the sync repair error again after modification. You can try it first. You need to open your phone settings, find and select account and backup. Then select manage accounts, then find and select the Google account. Then select sync account. In this interface, please check whether it is turned on. If not, please click the Sync Now button. If that doesn't work, you can try disable and re-enable the sync option again. Method 4 is to update the application. If the Gmail sync issue only occurs in a single or a few specific applications, it may be because the application version is too low or there is a bug in the application itself. You need to check if there are any pending app updates. Please open your mobile store and check if there are any applications to be updated in the mobile store. If so, please update immediately. Of course, you can also delete specific apps and re-download them. Method 5 is to clear your phone's cache. Excessive cache on Android phones may also be one of the reasons for the Google Sync not working Android problem. If you don't know if there are too many caches, you can follow the steps below to check and clear your Android phone's cache. Please open Settings, then find and click General Management. Then find and click Storage on the General Management interface, and check whether there are too many caches on the phone on the current page. Of course, you can also directly click the Junk Files button and confirm twice to clear the Android phone cache. After the cleanup is complete, check again to see if the synchronization issue is resolved. Method 6 is to set the correct date and time. If the date and time on the Android phone is incorrect, the Android phone says it is syncing but it's not may also appear. So you need to check if your time settings are correct. Please open Settings, find and click General Management. Then find and click the Date and Time option. In the current interface, you can see whether the automatic date and time is turned on correctly. If not, please turn it on and restart your Android phone immediately. Method 7 is to update the Android operating system. If you have tried all the above fixes but still not working, please try updating your Android operating system. Updating the Android operation may make the application more compatible with the system to fix Google Sync error on Android. Please click Settings, Find and click System, and then click Software Update or System Update. If an update is available, download and install it immediately. Method 8 is to delete and re-add the Google account. Some users have said that deleting and re-adding Google accounts works when emails won't sync in real time on Android phones. So please delete the Google account you logged in on your Android phone and add it again. Please open Settings, find and click Account and Backup. Then select Manage Accounts. Depending on your Android device, this option will not match the Samsung in the video. Select your Google account and find the Delete Account button. Please click this button. After deletion, please restart your Android phone, then re-add your Google account and perform a series of verifications. Method 9 is to restore factory settings. This is the last step you can do to perform a factory reset on your phone. Factory reset will delete all data on your Android phone and restore it to its original factory state. So this should help you solve the problem of fixed Android phone syncing error. But before resetting, make sure you have backed up all important data if necessary. After that, please click on the settings of your phone. After entering Settings, find and click General Management, and find the Reset option on the General Management interface. After clicking the Reset option, find and click Restore Factory Settings, and then confirm again. Finally, your device will reboot after a while and display the same interface as when it was first powered on. Once completed, log in with your Google account again to log in and download the required apps. In addition, you also need to retransfer your backed up data to your Android phone. Method 10 is to seek professional help. We hope the solutions in the video will help you fix Gmail sync error, but if the above solutions don't do the trick, please take your phone to a repair center or mobile phone store to have it checked by a technician. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the message area. At the same time, if you think there is anything we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.